Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring precisely. 1 cup water per 2 tablespoons of milk powder for a standard strength. Once measured, mix the powder with a small amount of cold water until it forms a lump-free paste. This prevents clumps later. Place your saucepan on low heat and have a whisk ready. Make sure to add sugar now if using, since it dissolves best early. This first step sets texture and flavor, so move steadily and avoid high heat, which forces scalding before the milk base is ready. Once the paste is smooth, transfer it to the warm saucepan and begin heating on low to medium. Stir continuously so the powder fully dissolves into the water. This prevents scorching and keeps the texture silky. Slowly pour in the rest of the water while whisking to integrate the mixture evenly. As it reaches a gentle simmer, taste and adjust sweetness or strength. Add more powder for a creamier outcome or dilute with water for lighter milk. Keep stirring for 2 to 3 minutes to stabilize the emulsion. Finish by removing the saucepan from heat and allowing the milk to settle for a minute. This helps any microbubbles dissipate. If you want ultra-smooth milk, pour through a fine mesh strainer into a serving jug. For storage, cool to room temperature, then refrigerate in an airtight container for up to 48 hours and reheat gently to avoid separating. If you encounter clumps, whisk vigorously or blend briefly. If a burnt note appears, dilute with some fresh milk and simmer briefly to balance flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.